communique issued at the end of Organized Labor Rivers State Congress meeting held on the 15th of December 2023 at NLC Secretariat, Port Harcourt. The highest decision-making organ of the Organized Labor Congress met and consciously appraised the state of affairs of Rivers State as it affects the welfare and well-being of Rivers State in the course of the year 2023. The Congress in session exhaustively and extensively considered the plethora of economic hardships experienced by Rivers State workers. The political maneuvering and scheming by various political actors resulting to palpable tensions, which has not only affected good governance, but equally affected socio-economic stability and also threats to prospective investors, economic growth, and development of Rivers State in general. The Congress in session further examined the potential threats the political instability in the state poses in position to amicable resolutions, and hereby result as follows. Number one, implementation of the 35,000 Naira wage award as agreed at the national level for Rivers State public workers and pensioners. Increased allocation for the payment of gratuities for weather coverage of retirees and pensioners in Rivers State. The implementation of 30,000 Naira minimum wage to local government workers in Rivers State. Comrades, it is true that some local governments have refused to implement a 30,000 minimum wage, even with the excess fund at their disposal presently because of autonomy. So workers still earn below 30,000. The Rivers State Congress noted with great concern that most of the issues raised and before the Rivers State government for resolution remains a source of concern in Rivers State public workers. These issues mentioned were from the previous administration. Most of these issues lingered from the previous administration onto the present administration, but we cannot allow it to continue. Consequently, the Organized Labor in Rivers State Congress resolved as follows. Number one, we urge the political gladiators with all sense of responsibility to consider the yearnings and aspirations of Rivers people and shape their political schemes, maneuverings, to allow for stability in the polity and good governance to thrive for the overall benefits of not only Rivers State workers, but also for the unity and of good people of Rivers State. The Congress unanimously pledged to accord all the necessary support to the legitimate government of His Excellency, Sir FUBARA, GSSRS, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, to deliver the dividends of democracy and for the prosperity of our members and the good people of Rivers State. Rivers State project is a collective responsibility, and as such, the workers will not afford to be complacent anymore. Congress in session here will call on the Inspector General of Police and the Rivers State Commissioner of Police to be vigilant and professional in carrying out their duties in Rivers State without bias. Organized Labor wish to thank His Excellency Sir FUBARA, GSSRS, for his magnanimity in the recent promotion and payment thereof of Rivers State areas. However, we strongly appeal to His Excellency to reconstitute the boards of the various state-owned parastatals to enable the workers to benefit from the promotion exercise. Because some workers in parastatals who the boards have not been constituted are yet to benefit from this promotion exercise. So we are appealing for His Excellency to constitute these boards and let the promotion exercise be conducted and let the workers there benefit from this exercise. Conclusively, the Congress in session equally will not hesitate to explore all necessary measures to protect, promote, and defend the interests of Rivers State workers and the people. In the event that the political actors fail to guarantee the political stability of the states. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
All right. This is your camera.
Okay.
Yeah, this four corner. Let's meet you officially.
Thank you very much. My name is Sir Comrade Onyefo, the Trade Union Congress TUC Chairman, River State.
What is the position of TUC in this political crisis brewing in River State?
Thank you very much for that very good question. And just to let you know that in River State, we have organized labor. We do not look at TUC, NLC, Joint Council. We work together as one labor family, and we remain one labor family. And to also state categorically that we are non-partisan and we will remain non-partisan. But we will not fold our hands and allow politicians to drag River State and the future of our members to abyss. We will deploy union might to protect our members and to protect the interest of Rivers people. It's sad, it's something we regret, it's something we feel very bad about, that politicians will gang up for personal interest and begin to jeopardize the interest of a state that is very important to the survival of Nigeria, River State, for their selfish gains. So it's very sad. It's something we frown very seriously at. It's something we struggle to even discuss, because if Nigerians understand the position of River State in the survival of Nigeria as a nation, then politicians will cease from trying to play politics with River State. So we frown at what is happening. We condemn it. You can imagine a situation where an executive governor moving along the street to deliver service to people, and Nigerian police will move into the street and begin to use water cannons to fire at His Excellency, to begin to use tear gas to fire at His Excellency. The chief security officer of a state is quite condemnable. We have, as you know, we have given our statement today, and we expect that the Inspector General of Police will do the needful and set up a panel immediately to investigate and bring to book the officers who fired water cannons, the officers who fired tear gas to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, Sir FUBARA, GSSSR, because if they don't do that, it means that all of us, all workers in River State and all Rivers people are not safe and secured.
Thank you so much, President.
Thank you.
With us.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.